Hi everyone, welcome back to my art channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys two different landscape paintings that are great to give a try if you're a beginner with watercolors. I'm gonna be going through how to paint a night sky and snowy landscape as well. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive notification when new videos are available. Now let's start. Firstly, I pre-wet the paper with water by a big brush, then I use purple to color the sky. In this step, you should paint a pale layer with wet on wet technique to have a nice effect, and I added a little red color to paint the bottom part of the picture. On the top, I used more purple to paint, and I used some table salt to add a really cool effect to the night sky. With the winter scenery, I start off with a light black layer and then I'm going in with just some purple tones and also use salt to make a real snowy landscape. I continue to use dark blue to fill the edge of the painting and also pre-wet the paper to have beautiful color effect. After that, I mix black and dark blue to have really dark night sky. You should not color the center of painting with this color because this is the light part, so it should be brighter than other parts. Do the same with the snowy landscape. I mix dark blue and purple with so much water and fill the edge of the painting. Then I added a little black to paint the tree in far distance. With the small branches, you should use small brush with water to dilute the colors, or you can pre-wet paper to have pale thin crochets. With nearby tree, I added more black and also used more brush to complete the tree with many branches. I start out with the biggest part of the trunk and then branching out into the individual crotches and then even thinner branches coming off of the main branches. Then I want to move on to adding the brushes. I added some little brushes by the tree with gray, or you also use purple to paint them. And then I top the tree with white color. It is more beautiful if you go to the detail carefully and make the snow like droplet on the tree. Now I'm going to paint the stars. I'm using a water brush for this, a flat water brush, and I just load that up with white colors, and then I use my finger to light spray that paint onto the paper, and it's really cool because it gives really tiny stars and also some bigger little splotches as well, so you get a nice variety size of the stars. Do the same with winter landscape to have real snowy droplet. When everything completely dry, and the final thing that I want to do is just go in with some black paint and add some really nice tree. Also, we have beautiful artworks. There's my landscape painting, which are great to have a go at if you are a beginner. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye and join me again soon.